Hi, my name is Imad Malik from Catalyst ERP. Today we're going to go through our custom banners bundle. This allows you to add custom banners to NetSuite on all record types, be it standard or custom. To start off with, we're going to look at our custom banner record. This record is where you define your different banners that you want per record type. On here, we're looking at the customer record as an example. We've got one banner that we've created for if the sales rep is missing. At the top, we're just defining the record and the record ID, and then in the list, we're defining the different banners. For each value, we're defining it based on either a fixed value or we're basing it on values from the record itself. And we can source information based on internal IDs, use the various different operators to compare against different internal IDs at different fields or hard-coded values as well. We can also then pick the banner type. Is it a confirmation, warning, and error, depending on the urgency or the importance of the information. And we can also enter in a banner title and a banner description. This allows you the flexibility to choose what information you want to see, when you want to see it. If we add a new example for email, where the domain is a specific type, we can add the internal ID using the dollar and the curly braces, changing the operator to contains, and then in my compare to value, I can either do an internal ID of a field again, or I can do a hard-coded value like we're doing here, where I'm going to do @test, use a banner for error to say this is a problem if you've got a test email address, and then put in the description. Only when you save do these effects become active. In this case, we're not going to save them down, we're just going to look at the example one. Going to a customer, we can see that there is no banner as there is a sales rep. Going to a second customer, as there is no sales rep, our banner is showing in a warning with a warning symbol and yellow. We can go back to our custom banner record, change this to information, just to show that the changes only become active once you save it down. And we can now go back to our customer, refresh this page, and we'll see that the banner is still there, the color is slightly different, and the logo is also now more information instead of a warning. We can also deploy this to additional records, be it custom or standard records. In this case, it's an invoice, where we define it's for an invoice using the record ID. System has determined that this has not been deployed to the record already, therefore it's recommended we click the deploy banner script. That allows it to be deployed to additional records without requiring any code or any additional effort. That's our custom banner bundle. It allows you to add additional banners to custom records, standard records as required, using existing values on fields or using hard-coded values to compare to. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions on this app or any other apps from Catalyst ERP, please reach out. Our details are in the description of this video.